Why does the author make this comparison? In the first paragraph, the passage mentions that Japan's ceramic history is at least as long as the ceramic history in the Middle East. And then the passage says that it is likely that pottery making developed spontaneously in different places at the same time. So we need an answer choice in this context. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice C, to suggest that pottery making was a widespread practice in Neolithic cultures. Yes, the reference here indicates that pottery making was a widespread practice in Japan as well as in Middle East, but the passage doesn't suggest that the ceramic history in these places goes back to Neolithic cultures. The reference to Neolithic cultures is made outside of the comparison of Japan and Middle Eastern ceramic history. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice B, to refute the assertion that pottery making first developed in Australia. The passage has a reference to Australia claiming that pottery existed in the area around 300,000 years ago. However, the passage neither establishes the claim that pottery making first developed in Australia nor refutes such a claim. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice C, facilitate the argument that pottery making developed independently across cultures. Yes, that is the thought here. The passage mentions that pottery making likely developed in Australia. Then it talks about the Middle East and then compares the ceramic history of Japan and that of Middle East. So the overall idea is that pottery making developed spontaneously in different places about the same time. So this answer choice aptly captures that idea. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice D, crop farming and animal husbandry in Neolithic cultures. The reference to Neolithic times and crop farming and animal husbandry is not related to this comparison between the ceramic history of Japan and that of the Middle East. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice E, there is no way of knowing the truth about the discovery of pottery. Yes, this is true. The passage mentions that pottery making likely developed in different places around the same time. So it can be inferred that there is no way of knowing the truth. However, this comparison is not mentioned in order to make this suggestion. The comparison is mentioned to indicate that pottery making spontaneously developed across different places around the same time. So this answer choice can be eliminated. C is the correct answer.